Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, June 6, 2016, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we had a really good day today. The Dow did exactly what I thought it was going to do. We had these three consecutive, almost identical pattern days with big down openings followed by some recovery, all of which indicates to me that the Dow wanted to go up, but of course it was killing us with this pattern. And I said on Friday, this pattern will not continue on Monday. It's going to break to the top side. That's exactly what it did. It took off right out of the gate this morning. Had a little correction here midday, and then came up, made new highs, sold off just a little on the end today, but I think that's mostly day traders taking profits. Um, they should not have taken profits, should have held, because this thing is, in my opinion, going to go higher tomorrow. And even if it doesn't go higher, our positions are going to improve tomorrow. So it is certainly well worth it for us to hold our positions. We got into quite a bit of stuff today. We got into 20 new positions. I don't know if I mentioned the Dow went up 113 points on this run. So we got into 20 new positions. 15 are positive, only 5 are negative, and we are holding positive almost $18,000 open trade going into tomorrow. That's after we closed out positive 3,300 on what we carried coming into today. So, you know, add them together, we're over $20,000 for today. We haven't had a really decent day like that in quite a while. Of course, it's not over till the fat lady sings, and we'll just have to see what happens tomorrow. But I am predicting a higher open tomorrow, and this open trade equity of nearly $18,000 that we're holding right now will jump, and it could jump quite a bit, you know. So I'm very encouraged by this. We haven't had a decent day like this in quite a while. Had a lot of good trades today, and I will show you only three. But needless to say, our profits are spread out, and that's kind of nice. So we don't have all our eggs in one basket. We have 15 positive trades in open trade going into tomorrow. This first one is Solar City SCTY. This is an old favorite of ours, always done pretty well. We got into this, looks about the beginning of the third hour, and it just kept going. And look at this close on this thing. We had this nice big run up right at the very end, and Solar City closed absolutely on its high. So I am definitely anticipating more profits in that stock tomorrow. We got a new one here to show you. This is PES, and that is Pioneer Pioneer Energy Services. And we got into this right 45 minutes into the day, and it just kept screaming. It did pull back a little, then it came back, pulled back just a little at the end. But we are holding $2,500 in Pioneer Energy Services. And then I got another new one here that really did a nice number for us today. This is UNT, which is Unit Corporation. And we got into this just as soon as we could this morning. It gapped up. We got in just as soon as we could, and it just kept going. It never looked back today, and that's closing almost on its high. And we have close to $4,000 open trade in Unit Corporation. Now, I could sit here and show you at least a dozen more good trades. But these were three of the best, and it was just an all-around good day, easy to trade. We didn't have anything that really was sticking us to us. So Trader Bob is happy. I'm signing off now, and I'll be back here online tomorrow on Tuesday.